close your eyes and forget about everything and everyone around you. Keep your eyes closed until I tell you to open them again. Think of me as your personal coach and that we are alone in a room. If you're feeling overwhelmed by intense emotions right now, stay with them for the next few minutes. If you don't experience a powerful emotion at the moment, let's generate one intentionally so that you can use this next time you begin to feel panicky. Think back to the worst day in your life. Fill in the details of that day to make it real so that your brain thinks it's happening right now. Relive that moment. I will give you a few moments so that you can conjure up that experience for yourself again. Let those bad feelings flood your body. Now, as you feel those horrible emotions, put your hand on your heart. Your hand tells your heart, I've got you. Breathe in and out a couple of times. Remind yourself that all humans struggle with their emotions sometimes. Tell yourself, I'm wired to experience feelings. Feelings give me feedback on the clarity of my own thinking. You can put your hand down if you get tired, but try to hold it on your heart if you can. Now ask yourself, what's the name of this emotion you're experiencing? While keeping your eyes closed, say the name of this feeling. You're a complex human being and many emotions might come up for you, but pick only one. See if you can come up with a single word label for this feeling. Here are some suggestions: angry, ashamed, alone, afraid, depressed, discouraged, exhausted, guilty, hopeless, inadequate, worthless, worried. Mentally talk to that feeling in your body. Tell it, I'm willing to experience you. You're welcome in my body. In your mind, try to describe to yourself the sensations this specific feeling is creating in your body. Get to know it better. Your brain will likely find this uncomfortable and tell you to go do something else. But stay with the feeling. Where do you feel it? Does it have a shape, a color, a certain texture, like spiky or sticky or sliming? Is the feeling moving? Does this emotion remind you of a certain animal or even a character from an animated movie? Now think of another part of your body where you don't feel these sensations. It's often your legs or feet. Tell the feeling you're not leaving it. It may still be there, but focus on this other part of your body. Drop all of your awareness into that neutral part of your body. Marvel that you can feel sensations in one area of your body, but not in the other. You are wonderfully made. Your body can contain lots of emotions. Bring your attention back to the original area. Has anything shifted? Is there any change in the emotion? Remind yourself, everything I experience is welcome in my body. I can contain it all. Talk to the feeling again. Tell it, I see you and I've got you. Are there any shifts or changes? Just give them your loving attention. You can now open your eyes.